Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth speaker to Tecno phone. Friends, you have paired any Bluetooth speaker and friends you want to unpair. So friend, how can you unpair? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys we will turn on our phone setting to unpair guys our speaker. After on phone setting guys, what will you have to do guys? You can see this type of setting. So when you will have to come in guys your phone Bluetooth setting. So when, how can we on Bluetooth setting guys? First of all guys we will click on this more connection setting guys. Then guys you can see your phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here. So once you can see guys we have paired this JBL Go company speaker, we want to unpair. So right side tap here, and once you can see the forward option guys, tap here to unpair. After unpair guys we cannot use guys, if we use so guys we will have to pair again. So that's it guys, we can forget our Bluetooth speaker to Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.